Welcome back to our channel Little Coders. Today we'll be learning something new. This is not basically a part of the course, but it's kind of a fun thing to do today. And my daughter, who is 6 years old, she also like these particular things, which is kind of a drawing in Python. So with the help of turtle programming, we can draw some patterns in Python. So that is what we'll be learning today. Let's see how it goes. I hope you will all enjoy. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Now, what is turtle in Python? Turtle is a Python feature like drawing board. So basically, by writing some commands in Python, it will draw whatever we would like to draw in a board. It will draw in a computer screen. So it has different commands. Today we'll be learning those commands. Turtle is a Python feature like drawing board, which allows us to write commands to draw all over the screen. Now it has different inbuilt functions. We'll be using them and we'll see how using them we can draw some patterns in our computer screen. The first command will be import turtle. So this will import the turtle module. Then what we can do, we can give a name to a turtle, say here equal to turtle.pen. So basically we are calling an inbuilt function from the turtle module, which is pen, which will open this window where we'll draw something. Now as you are seeing, in that window we have this arrow which came because of this line. Now we can change the shape of it. So to change the shape of this arrow, we have to tell that here dot shape turtle. There are a few other inbuilt shapes are there. We can use those like square and some other shapes. But for this course, we'll be choosing turtle as the shape. Now next thing is we can change the color of the turtle. So let's try that one as well. Color. Let's make it green. There are several other colors available which you can Google and use. But for this course, let's choose green as of now. Later on, we'll change to a different colors. Now, the different inbuilt functions which Turtle has are, say, forward. So forward is a function. Let's use it first. Say 1, say 50. So by writing this particular line of code, what we are saying, we are asking the turtle to move forward by 50. But what is this 50? 50 is not inch or centimeter, because computer doesn't understand inches or centimeter, it understands the pixels. So this screen is filled up with pixels, very tiny dots in the computer screen, so it can count those dots. 50 means it asks the turtle to move forward 50 pixels. So now if I enter, you will see the turtle has moved 50 pixels. So in this short span of the line, we have 50 pixels in it. Next is we can ask the turtle to move backward as well. So let's do that as well. Here dot backward, and let's say we asked the turtle to move backward 100 pixels. You see, it moved backward by 100 pixels. Now we can ask the turtle to move right or left. Let's say I'll ask turtle to move right. Okay, let's say right. Now when I'm asking turtle to move right or left, I have to define an angle at which it will move. Right? So let's say the angle is 90 degree. So now we have to define, this is not a pixel, this is 90 degree, how much it will move. Now you see the turtle has moved 90 degree to its right. And I can again ask the turtle to move forward. Say 100 pixels, and you see it moved forward. Then I can ask the turtle to move left or turn left by say 90 degree again. Then I can ask the turtle to move forward again. See? So this is the way we can move the turtle. Now doing so, there is one more thing we can do. We can do pen up. So let's try that, and at the same time I'll explain what is that pen up. So when we say pen up, that means we are asking the turtle that move up from the paper or move up from the screen. So it won't draw a line. Now since I have penned it up, and then let me turn the turtle to its left by 90 degree. And if I move it forward, say 100, you'll see turtle moved forward by 100 pixels, but it didn't draw any line because we asked the turtle to pen up. Now to draw a line, what we have to do? We have to do here dot pen down. Pen down. Now what it will do? It will start drawing it, and we can use the backward command here dot backward 100 pixel, and it will draw the line backwards. Now instead of writing pen up and pen down, we can simply give commands like tr dot up and tr dot down. Both will both will perform the same functionality like pen up and pen down. So these are all basic methods or inbuilt functions which Turtle has, which we can use in our next course. Now apart from that, we can also draw a circle. So before drawing a circle, let's see how we can reset everything. So if we write tr.reset, it will reset everything and bring the turtle back to its original position without any color, but with the default color basically. So now we can again change the color of the turtle, say red, and then what we can do, we can see how to draw a circle. So tr dot circle. Now to draw a circle, what we have to do, we have to define the radius of the circle. So if I say tr dot circle 100, it will create a circle with radius 100, and then we can draw a circle at the exactly at the opposite direction. So how to do that? Tr dot circle, say -100, which will draw a circle exactly at the opposite direction. So now we can draw a circle at any position just by turning the turtle. So if we turn it, say tr dot left 90, let's see what will happen, and then draw tr dot circle 100, see, and then if I draw it again, -100. So isn't it fun? Now while we learn all these things, these are all the basic steps for turtle programming. Now there are speeds which you can control at which the drawing is happening. So the speed range lies from 0 to 10. So if we provide the speed as 0, let's first do it. Tr dot speed, say, if we say 0, that will be the fastest, means that is equivalent to not giving anything. So let's do that. Tr dot circle, say 50. Let's see. Oh, this is super fast. Means if we say 50, sorry, if we say speed 0, that is the fastest. I mean, it won't take any time. It won't even show that turtle is drawing it. It will be done super fast. Now, if the speed is 10, that will be the fast. Means that will be, means it will draw in fast mode. Tr dot speed. So let's say 10, and then I'll copy it here. So what I'll do, instead of writing every time, I'll copy it. Now, so this is speed 10. Now normal is speed 6. Tr dot speed 6, which is kind of normal speed. And let's try to draw it again. Okay. Now, if we do slow mode, we have to give speed 3, and we can again draw it. Now, if we want to do the slowest mode, we have to give 1. Then we'll draw it again and see how slow it is. You see, this is kind of very slow. So yeah, so we can control the speed of the turtle by using these functions speed, and by passing the argument 10 will be the fast, and then 1 will be the slowest, 0 will be the fastest. So from 1 to 10 we can increase the speed of the turtle. Okay, so this is it for today's class. I hope you have learned how to draw shapes using turtle programming, and in our next class we'll be doing little bit of more with the turtle programming. We'll be draw some patterns by using the loops. So instead of writing each and every line again and again, we'll be using loops, and we'll see how patterns can be drawn using the loops and turtle programming. So till then, goodbye, stay safe.